Nvidia joins Dow Jones Industrials, replacing chip leader. Is Nvidia a buy now? In a significant move that underscores the shifting dynamics of the semiconductor industry, Nvidia has officially joined the Dow Jones Industrial Average, replacing Intel. This change, effective from November 8, 2024, marks a pivotal moment not only for Nvidia, but also for the broader tech and financial markets. Let's delve into what this means for Nvidia, its investors, and whether now is the right time to buy Nvidia stock. The rise of Nvidia. Nvidia's journey to becoming a part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average is a testament to its remarkable growth and innovation. Founded in 1993, Nvidia initially focused on graphics processing units, GPUs, for gaming. Over the years, it has expanded its horizons, becoming a leader in artificial intelligence, AI, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. The company's GPUs are now the backbone of AI infrastructure, powering everything from data centers to self-driving cars. Nvidia's market cap has soared to over $3.3 trillion, making it the second largest publicly traded company after Apple. This meteoric rise is driven by the insatiable demand for AI and machine learning capabilities, which Nvidia's GPUs are uniquely positioned to fulfill. Why Nvidia replaced Intel, once the undisputed leader in the semiconductor industry, has faced significant challenges in recent years. The company has struggled with manufacturing delays, losing market share to competitors like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Nvidia. Intel's inability to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI and data center technologies has further eroded its dominance. Nvidia, on the other hand, has capitalized on these trends. Its GPUs are essential for AI workloads, and the company's strategic investments in AI research and development have paid off handsomely. By replacing Intel in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nvidia's inclusion reflects the broader shift towards AI and advanced computing technologies. The impact on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, is a price-weighted index, meaning that the price of each stock influences the index's overall performance. Nvidia's inclusion is significant because it brings a high-growth, high-valuation tech company into the mix. This change is expected to add volatility to the index, given Nvidia's stock price movements. Nvidia's stock has been on a tear, rising over 170% in 2024 alone. This performance is driven by robust demand for its AI chips, which are used by major tech companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. The company's revenue has more than doubled in each of the past 5 quarters, highlighting its strong growth trajectory. Is Nvidia a buy now? Given Nvidia's impressive performance and its new status as a Dow component, many investors are wondering if now is the right time to buy Nvidia stock. Here are some key factors to consider. Strong market position. Nvidia is the undisputed leader in AI and GPU technologies. Its products are critical for AI development, making it a key player in one of the fastest-growing tech sectors. Robust financials. Nvidia's financial performance has been stellar. The company's revenue growth has been exceptional, and it has consistently beaten earnings expectations. Its gross margins are among the highest in the industry, reflecting its pricing power and operational efficiency. Growth potential. The AI revolution is still in its early stages, and Nvidia is well positioned to benefit from this trend. The demand for AI infrastructure is expected to grow exponentially, providing a long runway for Nvidia's growth. Valuation concerns. Despite its strong fundamentals, Nvidia's stock is not cheap. The company's high valuation reflects its growth prospects, but it also means that the stock is priced for perfection. Any missteps or slower than expected growth could lead to significant stock price volatility. Analyst ratings. Nvidia is highly regarded by analysts, with many rating it as a strong buy. The consensus among analysts is that Nvidia's growth story is far from over, and the stock has significant upside potential. Emotional and strategic considerations. Investing in Nvidia is not just about the numbers, it's also about understanding the emotional and strategic aspects of the market. Nvidia's inclusion in the Dow Jones Industrial Average is a symbolic victory, reflecting its status as a tech powerhouse. This move can boost investor confidence and attract more institutional investors, potentially driving the stock price higher. However, it's essential to remain cautious. The tech sector is known for its volatility, and Nvidia's high valuation means that the stock could experience significant price swings. Investors should be prepared for this volatility and consider their risk tolerance before making a decision. Conclusion: Nvidia's inclusion in the Dow Jones Industrial Average is a landmark event that highlights the company's dominance in the AI and semiconductor industries. While the stock's high valuation may be a concern, Nvidia's strong market position, robust financials, and growth potential make it an attractive investment for those willing to embrace some volatility. As always, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Nvidia's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and strategic vision, and its future looks bright as it continues to lead the AI revolution.